the sun. A gang of cats out to have some fun. Tiny heads and ties so neat, tiptoeing softly on their furry feet. Sneaky kitties on a flower spree, whiskers twitching wild and free. Picking petals, smelling sweet. Uh-oh, here comes the cat on his feet. They grabbed a rose, they grabbed a daisy. Things were going cute but crazy. Then from the porch came a furious meow. Oh no, it's the owner cat now. Sneaky kitties on a flower spree. Run for your tails, it's time to flee. Jumping fences, claws in the air. Flowers flying everywhere. Wow. One lost his hat, one lost a shoe. Another tripped over a tulip too. They ran and hid behind the shed. Next time they said, we'll steal catnip instead. Silly kitties caught again. No more gardens, lessons plain. Laughing, purring, off they go. Flower thieves from head to toe.